All right, here we have a compound interest problem. We want to find the future value if $5,000 is compounded monthly at a rate of 3% over 10 years. Okay, so the compound interest formula is this guy right here. It's A equals P times 1 plus R over N, all of this to the NT power. Okay, so A represents the future value. Okay, so that's essentially how much money will be in this account, okay, once everything is said and done. Okay, P is the principal. Okay, principal is the initial amount that is invested. Okay, R is the interest rate, okay, in years, okay, always in years. Okay, N is how many times, okay, how many times the interest is compounded per year, or calculated, right? So we can say calculated or compounded, but how many times interest is calculated per year? Okay. And then T is just a time in years. Okay, so we basically just have to plug everything into this formula, right? The key point is obviously, the rate should be as a decimal, okay? But then I'll, plugging these into your calculator correctly, okay? So we know that in this case, okay, P is 5,000. That is how much is being invested, okay? The rate is 3%, so I'm going to put that as 0.03. What is N in this case? Right? N is how many times the interest is calculated per year. Well, if it's compounded monthly, then that'll be 12 times per year. Okay? And then we get N times T. That'll be the exponent for this guy, right? So 12 times 10 is going to be 120 here. Okay? Now, this does get a little bit complicated, and I do want to mention, right, don't put everything you see here left to right in your calculators all in one shot, okay? So in order to do this, what I recommend is do this in steps, okay? And once again, don't clear it out or round anything along the way, okay? First thing we should do is calculate 0.03 divided by 12, okay? Remember, just hit enter after that. The second thing you want to do is add 1 to that. Okay, that's going to be this guy. Okay, once again, hit enter after that. Okay, the third thing you want to do is hit the exponent button. Okay, raise that guy to the 120th power. Okay, once again, don't clear it out and don't round it. And then the last thing you want to do is multiply that by 5,000. Okay, now at this point, when you hit enter, we should actually get the final answer here. Okay, so the final answer in this case is 6,746. And we remember, this is money, right? We're talking about dollars and cents, so we do want to round this to 2 decimal places. So we should get, in this case, 77 cents. Okay,